Hi guys, I'm Woodasy2. I did a review the other day of the amazing DJI Mavic Air 2 case, which takes multiple batteries and other bits of equipment from Banggood. Absolutely amazing product. I love it to bits. And this is something else Banggood sent me to sort of test and sort of review. This is more of a video of showing people how to collapse this landing pad after use. There's not a lot of people that realise how to do this, so these little tutorials do help. The spring loaded, so once you're taking it out of there, it's going to pop open, and this is 75 centimetres once it's sort of opened. This one, if you can see it, is 110 centimetres. So this is huge when you do take it out and sort of ping it open. You can see this thing from the moon. I think, you know, if there were a NASA aircraft flying in space, they'd see this and probably come down and land on it. But brilliant if you're in an area where there's a heck of a lot of dust or rain, etc. You've got a bigger area to land on with that. But what I do prefer is something that will be big enough just to land your drone on, whether it's a DJI Mavic Air 2, your family drones, your minis or whatever. This is a perfect size in my opinion. This is a medium, the one I just showed is a large. It does come with pegs also. I took these out prior to the video because once I opened this they just fall on my kitchen floor, but these do go inside here. So again, another amazing bit of kit from Banggood. I'll leave links in the description where you can purchase it. Just click on it, purchase it. You can't go wrong, guys. And I say for £11.20 something pence. Prices may vary a little either way, but again, another great product. So this thing will sit in that bag. So first of all, I'll show it going into the bag. Unzip it. Let's see, this is the custom carry case sent to me for review with all battery compartments in. Like I say, we're tilting it the way it is now, nothing is moving in there. But that will just sit on the top and it will zip up, no problem whatsoever. It can go in the compartment at the back. So I'll just pop this down here and zip it up. So that's inside there with your drone, spare batteries, controller, other bits you want to put in, and your landing pad. It also fits in the back. So take that out, unzip the compartment, place that landing pad in, zip it back up. Like I say, that's in there, no problem at all. And I'll just zip straight up. Like so. So I will now show you how to put the landing pad back inside the case. Take that out, up to one side. Like I say, they are spring loaded, so when taking them out, just sort of keep hold of it. So you can either throw it on the floor, it might pop out itself. But the technique used is, like I say, I'm holding it like that, but to put it back in, you're doing a figure of 8 twist. Bit of tidying up, and then it will go straight back in. So we'll undo that. So you've got your blue side there, and your sort of orangey side there. They are waterproof, great bits of kit. I'll show photographs of my Mavic Air 2 on the large pad and on this one. So putting it away, see how I'm holding my hands. I want one that way, one that way. Doesn't matter which order you do that in, you could be left or right handed, it's whatever's convenient. And you just twist in a figure of 8. As you're twisting, you're just tidying little bits up. So that's gone back perfectly. So obviously after you finish flying, that little figure of 8 technique, get your bag. Pop it inside. And there you go. Very, very easy to do. Like I say, just a figure of 8 twist, and that will go straight back in there. You can either put it in your bag, or say something like that, connected through the strap at the top and hung on a belt. Preference is all yours, guys. So great bit of kit, great bit of kit with the case. You can't go wrong. Like I say, I'll put a link in the description to purchase this. Watch the video, just click on the link, purchase it for £11, 20 odd pence. Brilliant. So guys, thanks for watching and happy flying.